also you can ask me meanwhile. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about Python and how to download a Python. Two versions are there, Python 2 and Python 3. Okay, so again about how to practice Python. So how to download and install the Python related one. Okay, so I shared how to download it. Okay, so and installation starts at 38 minutes. Already I given this link in this page. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, next one is how to install a PyCharm, how to download and install a PyCharm. I told VS Code, how to install and configuring VS Code also I told. Okay, and other resources are available based on your interest. You can do it. People who don't want to install, or also once in a while you can also try in a Jupyter. So always not only one single window, so you can also try in a different places, right? So one is Jupyter through web console also you can able to do it. You can sync remote Jupyter from your desktop also possible. But I'm telling very simple, open the web related console and go to try the Python. So just try to put the commands. So another one we discussed about what is a Python thing, who invented Guido Van Rossum is created in 1991 only. But so in the last 1 decade, the Python is development is very high. Last 5 6 years, so the Python libraries are very huge. Python is using for everything nowadays, for a development of applications, IoT, web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence kind of stuff. Okay, for everything we can able to it. So even though Python is very important if you are a cloud related guy also. Networking programming, networking applications also we can able to do with the Python. So earlier days the people use a Perl or Ruby on Rails script programming to for networking related programming, but now they are switching to Python. So because of Python is faster, you can able to write faster equal to write it. So that is Python. Okay, it's a basic scripting also we can able to do from the scripting to application thing we can able to do it. So what is Python do, and why Python is also given? The very important is Python is object oriented, functional and procedural language. Java is a object oriented language. Remember guys, Java is a object oriented programming language. C is procedural programming language. C++ is a object oriented programming language. Python is object oriented and procedural and functional programming language. Okay, so in a Java, very simply in a Java, if you write a code, that's this is the minimum basic code for a displaying a line. You want to display a line called a hello Java, this much of code minimum you have to write it. But in a Python, simply you are writing this code only. Okay, and you directly can execute the Python code, no need to compile separately, because when you are executing it, compile that syntax line by line and it will execute directly. So you don't need to wait for a long period of time for a compare and then execution, because you want to execute this file. It is Java C space simple dot Java. So I didn't written an execution of file, so I don't want to modify. Okay, so or you can modify, no problem. So how to exit it is Java C space simple dot Java, that is compiling Java. So once you are compiled, class file will be generated. So once class file is generated, then how to execute a class file? Java space simple, Java space simple. So that is a class file will be generated. Okay, that is execution. Here, how to execute a Python file? Python space hello.py, automatically it will execute. So no need to compile and execution, no need to do that thing. Okay, same as like a Java, how JRE is there. Similarly, Python is once you install in your PC, You can run your Python code. You can write Python code in anywhere. You can run the Python code in anywhere. It is a platform independent. Yesterday I didn't get that word. I got a word which is a platform but not an independent. Platform independent. Java is a platform independent. Python is also Python independent, platform independent. Guys, compulsory in interviews. Differences comes up. Compulsory Java, Python kind of stuff. So you have to tell this one. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Python is object-oriented and procedural and functional programming language. Java and Python both are platform independent. It means you can write a code in one platform and you can execute in another platform. Platform means different operating system. In this context, the platform means, okay, different operating system, and in that operating system you want to execute Java or you want to execute a Java file or a Python file, the operating system must have supporting runtime environment. Okay, so Java runtime environment for Java, Python should be installed inside a PC to run the Python file. It's compulsory. Okay, so that is another one. Java having a libraries, and Java is a purely object oriented. It is comparatively Python. Java is a little complex to write a code. Little complex to write a code. It is complex to write a code. Java is a complex programming language. Okay, it is a complex. Java is a complex one. Python is simple. So simply you can write a code and execute the code directly. Java we can able to compile the code first and then we execute it. But in a Python, directly we execute. While executing only, it will compile the syntax and execute. It never goes like a entire file compile each line and then execution won't happen in a Python. So it will execute. So if 10th line is having a problem, so up to 9th line it will execute. So 10th line only it will throw the error. So that is in a Python. Okay. Check Python version. How to check a Python version? So go to the Python space hyphen version. Execute Python file. Okay, this is how to execute a Python file, and this is a simple syntax to print a statement. Already I defined about a variables and also data types. So integer, string, float, complex, how to define, and as well as this thing. Next one is I told about how to print the variable, how to check what type of the variable it is. You are not defining which type of variable it is. Simply Python understand based on your data, it will understand what type of variable it is. And also we can change the type of variable also. We can change the type of variable also. Okay. So like this. Okay. String, float, complex, like that. And also image and really other kind of stuff. And also we can assign a same value for multiple variables like this. Same value for multiple variables also we can define it. So multiple variables with a different kind of values also we can able to define it. Okay. When you are defining a variable, so when you're defining a variable, compulsory guys, don't start with a number. Don't start with a number like a 1A kind of stuff. Don't give the number. Don't start with a number. It is a case sensitive. Capital, small letters, compulsory locate. Don't give a spaces. Don't give a spaces. You can give underscores in middle, starting, ending of the variables. So that is the only conditions, not more conditions to define a variables. Okay, what are the conditions are there? Don't start with a number. Don't start with a number. Don't assign some variable to a particular number. Okay, and case sensitive. It is case sensitive. Capital A is different, small a is different. Capital A is different, small a difference. Don't give spaces. Don't give spaces in the variable. Okay, like I want to give a like a thing, a name underscore area. Good. Namespace area, not good. Namespace area, not good. So like that. So don't give a spaces in the data. Underscores we can give. So better is underscore kind of stuff, and starting underscore, middle underscore kind of stuff we can give. Start with the small letters, start with the capital letters also acceptable. Capital small letters, full capital letters also acceptable. Okay. Only not acceptable is don't give numbers, don't start with numbers. Okay.
Hello,
Don't give
sir.
numbers, don't start with numbers. Don't give spaces.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, instead of X, write don't, sir.
Instead of
X, write don't, sir. It is confusing.
okay. Instead of X, no, X is I think also. Even I think that one X means X means people think it is another variable. Correct. Okay, so don't start with a number or don't give only number. Don't give. This is also better. Don't give spaces in a variable defines. Okay, like this. Okay, so instead of this example also you can give like this. Don't give spaces. Other than that one, you can give spaces like this also you can give. This is okay. Okay, this kind of stuff is okay. This is not okay. This is not okay. Capital small letters you can give, guys. So capital letters, small letters kind of stuff also give. Capital ABC you can give, small capital ABC kind of stuff. And different type of variable defining is there. Already I told, go to the W3 school Sara. He will get a what type of variable it is, what type of this variable it is. You will get it. But I'm talking about writing. When you are writing a code or a program or defining something, what are the things you must take care? Okay, very good. Next one is you can assign a multiple variables to multiple values to single variable. So it is a single variable and it is a multiple values. So this is of course list type, but this is how to assign is also a given. Okay, so multiple values to single variable, this type. Okay. Next one is I want to show you the print statement. So the print statement is you want to print A, means A represent a variable, and if variable is defined, it will shows value. If variable is not defined, it throw a error. It throw a error. If you want to print something as a string, A as a string, and you have to put it in a quotations. If you put in a quotation, so A means it is a string and display the string. You can put a double quotes or a small quotes, no problem. But never put a combination, one side double quote, another side single quote, one side single quote, another side double quote. So don't give. So if you put it, it will throw an error. Give double quotes or two times double quotes or two times single quote acceptable. If you want to specify certain text, a specific quotes you want to mention, you cannot mention like this. Double quotes starting and ending. In middle text, again double quotes, it's not acceptable because of it thinking this is the text and this is the text. Understand? The system thinks, Python thinks this is the one line, one part of text string you are defined, and you didn't define anything about this one, and this is the text. So that will be very dangerous. So how to define it? Like this. So you given start with double quotes, end with double quotes, the specific text. Okay, you have to give in a single quotes only. Or reverse, start with a single quote, end with a single quote. So put it in a double quotes. Okay, text in double quotes. So like this also you can able to give. Of course, I done a little bit mistake here, but still okay, no problem. No mistake. Only thing is I given this extra bracket here. Okay, so here it I given correct. So if you want to write a paragraph kind of print, you want to give a paragraph kind of print statement. So three start with start and end with three single quotes or three double quotes. So then also we can able to get a paragraph kind of stuff. Of course, in a print statement also there is a different kind of format symbols are there. So that is also, if possible, we can able to see how to format, how to give the numbering kind of stuff, like that also we can able to give. Lot of things are there, guys. When it is comes to the programming, it is not much easy to complete in 1 day, 2 day kind of stuff. Programming will take at least minimum 1 week or at least 1 month. Basic programming will take 1 week. Basic things. Basic means basically you are understand and write very simple code. It is will take at least 4 5 days. And 1 month training is minimum for understanding of structure of the programming. Just without worrying about how to write a if loop or while loop. So at least we take 1 month. Okay. But my point is, guys, whatever it is, try to practice how much you learn. And also I told how to take the guideline from a certain websites and all. You can just keep doing, keep doing, keep doing. You will understand very easily. And you are younger and it is for you, it is quite easy. Okay. Python is sorry. Print a is a 10, and also you can add in a print statement a string and as well as a variable also. Very simple, string comma variable. Here it is a string comma variable, string variable. Unlike your Java and all, it is it's difficult to put one single line if you are more habituated to give. Okay, but in a first day also we can able to write a string and variable kind of very simple. Any variable or a string, anything like either it is a variable or it may be two strings or maybe something, it is easily separated by simple comma only. Okay, no need to like what is separator, all these things not required, very simple. You can write like this. There are a lot of things are there, separator, ending kind of stuff is there, but still I'm not going to that one. Simple one I want to tell, which you can easily remember kind of stuff. Okay, so this is also a plus b, and a plus b function is there. A plus b means, so it will give you 30 answer is here. Okay, that is a print type statement. Guys, different type of data types are there. So again, string type of data. In a numerical type of data is integer, float, complex. These things we are already seen. Okay. Next one is sequence type, list, tuple, range. Range we can't able to print directly. Yeah, we can print it, no problem. If you really define something, so we'll see that. Next is mapping type is a dictionary. Set, it is a showing frozen set kind of stuff. So we'll see that one. So next one is Boolean type. Byte array, memory view, something binary type, something is there. So that's the thing. Okay. So this is how to define a list. This is how to define a tuple. This is how to define a set. Okay. So when you are defining, compulsory check what type of thing it is there. Find out what is the difference between list and tuple. And of course, I written something about other things what you learn. Yesterday, I discussed about a package manager. So pip install some package name, you put it. For example, you want to install beautiful soap, or maybe a TK Inter, or maybe you want to install a Pi GUI, Pi game, uh, Pi. Okay, so you have to use pip installer, install package name, or you can install like this, also possible. Once you install, and you have to import into your script file, then you can write according to it. So this is very simple to define an array after importing numpy. So install in your command prompt. Through command prompt you are installing. This is your Python file. That one you are specifying. Also better upgrade, better upgrade before you installing anything. Yes. Okay. So better upgrade once. PIP better upgrade. So then latest version of upgrade we won't get any errors. Okay. Okay. This it I told. Okay. So now today we see about a first we'll see about a list tuple set. Okay, list tuple set dictionary and some boolean functions, math functions also we'll do it. Okay, guys. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
just whenever you hear a new topic and that people not some people not may not come remember, I mean, maybe not comes very quickly in the mind. So once it is came into mind, people think I not understand the kind of stuff. Even you said understand or not understand. Thing is, it is not. It is in click in your mind or not. If you click in your mind, so obviously you learn very faster. You learn very quick and easy and permanently you can able to memorize for longer period of time at least. So only that click is sometimes misses. That's why I will repeat every new topic when I start, and next day I will repeat the topic. We need that much of time. Okay, so now already I told how to define the list tuple kind of stuff. So what is the difference between that one, and then we will proceed. So what is my favorite is? Again, guys, do not think like I have a PPTs and everything is there, but I'm more comfortable from here only. Okay, these are the differences between. I'm writing in this one only. Okay, I'm writing in this one only. Okay, it is saying errors. It's okay, no problem. This is list. List is collection which is ordered and changeable. Ordered and changeable. Yellow duplicate members. Yellow duplicate members. Next. Tuple. Tuple is collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Unchangeable means you can't change the data once it is created. Yellow duplicate. Yellow duplicate members. Next. Set. Set is again same thing. Set is a collection which is unordered. It means list and tuple are ordered and set is not ordered. Unchangeable, there is a star mark is given. So star mark means we can delete something in a data, but we cannot able to add something, like we can't change something. Okay, unindexed, there is no indexing kind of stuff, and no duplicate values, no duplicate members. Dictionary. So next one is dictionary. Dictionary is a collection which is ordered, but there is a stars again, and a changeable, so we can change it. No duplicate members. So these are the differences between your Python list, tuple, set, and dictionary kind of stuff. Okay. So here it is why it is given a star. Set items are unchangeable, but you can remove or add items when you like it. As of Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. In a earlier version, dictionaries are unordered. Okay. In both the ways, I never seen any order there. But look at here, but compulsory. Set items are unchangeable, but you can add it or remove it. Okay, you can't change a particular value. So we'll see whenever you look at like that. So it is like a Greek and Latin only. So we'll see how to do it. Okay, guys, I like to use Visual Studio Code, but already I told ideally I will use it. So right, we can use ideally also. No problem. Yeah, it is open. I think it's better to reduce the size than adjust the size. Okay, the first one is I'm going to define a list. First is, for example, list name is list1. You have to give square brackets. You have to give square brackets. Some people think we can only give numerical data or only text kind of stuff, but you can give multiple things here. Okay, I'm giving apple, maybe banana, maybe I'm giving some numbers. I'm giving a certain data. Some are strings, some are integers. Now I given thing. So simply because it's ideally directly you can type a list one, but try to habituated to put the things into the print statement. Okay, habituated to put it in a print statement. So this is the print list one. So it is got it. And of course, yesterday I already told type list one. So this is a list only I define. How it is understand whether it is list or not by square brackets. By square brackets. List one. Okay. So 5 represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yeah. How many are there? 5 variables in a list one. 5 variables in the list one. Okay. So what are the, I got it error, so no need to write that one, but you can write. So I got a output is correctly. This is the command, this is another command, this is another command. Okay. Okay. So what is list, guys? List is ordered. It means indexed. Ordered means indexed. Look at here. This is the data. This is indexed as a 0 and this is indexed as a 1. This is indexed as a 2, 3, 4. It is ordered. And also it is reverse indexed. Reverse indexed means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. So this is indexing. So if you want to see what is that meaning of indexing, look at here. Ordered, right? So list 1. So you have to give square brackets. In that one, put a 0. Guys, indexing calling is in a square brackets. Indexing, when you put a indexing kind of stuff, square brackets. What is 0? Look at this one. 0. Okay. Like this. I don't know so whether it is visible or not. Down visible. Yeah, this is the better way, I think so. Yeah, no, not like this. Okay. List 1. I put a 3. What is 3? 54. What is 3? 54. Put a list 1 minus 4 banana. So like this, it is ordered. Like this, it is ordered. Like this is ordered. List 1 colon like this. Meaning is from 1 to last. From 1 to last. You can see banana is a 1 to last. So that will be displayed. Next, list 1. For example, 2 colon 5. I think 5 is not there. 4. It is displaying only 2 and 3. If you look at 2 and 3, not a fourth one. So start with the 2 and a 3. That's it. Fourth one, it won't display anyway. So up to 4 means 2 to 4 means 2 to 3 only. For example, 1 to 4 means 1, 2, 3. Fourth one won't display here. Fourth one won't display here. And my data is not a very big one. So that's why we can't show you a big one. Okay, so if I have to put at least a 10, 20, 10, at least minimum 10 you put it, then you can view this kind of stuff. And it is also minus kind of stuff also will come up. Okay. When you put a list 1 dot, after list 1 put a dot and wait, you will get a lot of options also. You will get it like a append kind of stuff. Okay, append, clear, copy, count, extend, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse, sort, like that. You put a sort. Okay, it is not sorting. Why? Because of it contains both integers and strings. It contains both integers and strings. We can't able to sort it. Okay. Also you can do extend or a insert also we can able to do it. So I'm doing a extending. So curly brackets and in a square brackets I'm extending like a 23 comma 55 comma 67 comma 124. Okay, like this. So what happening, list 1, what happened, the data is added. And if you look at 67 is repeated. 67 is repeated. The list 1 dot count 67. Sorry, 67. See, 2 times it is came. 2 times it is came. Okay. If you put a list 1 dot count 54. One time only it is there. 67 repeated 2 times. Okay. The first thing is indexing. The indexing is satisfied. Next, what is I said, indexing completed. Changeable. Okay, allow duplicate values. So look at this one. We have a duplicate value 67. 67 is there. Duplicate value is there. Someone asking question or a message. Okay, Rohan came. Very good. Okay, so this is duplicate values are allowed, and I added a data. See, extended. I added a data. Also, we can remove the data and changeable. currently, for example, this is a very big data, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the 5, right? 5. Fifth one is 23. I want to change to 123. I want to change 123. So list 1, 5 equal to 123. Now put a list 1, it is 123. So changeable, changeable. Okay, this is changeable. Yellow duplicates and it is ordered. Ordered means indexed. Ordered means indexed. Also look at here, ordered meaning is indexed. Okay, indexed. Okay, and of course guys, lot of statement is there. Already I told, very simple. List 1 dot and wait, you'll get a big list. What is append, what is clear means you can remove entire data but not list 1. Pop means it remove the last particular data. You can remove particular value, you can remove particular value. Okay, you can sort it, you can reverse sort it. Okay, pop means it remove the last value, it remove the last value. I'm not doing anything. Okay, so you can try. It is very easy. And already I told, it is in my previous batch. I told one class there I have done very thing. So that is, can try. Okay, this is about your list. Okay, next one I will tell about a tuple, because tuple is also very easy. So remember, when you are doing it, so compulsory keep it that thing in a side and like this. List is collection which is ordered and changeable and allow duplicate members. So that is we verified. Guys, understand list or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next one is tuple. After tuple, I will give a break for a set. Okay. The tuple is ordered but unchangeable. Allow duplicate members. So how to define it? Define a tuple. Let's see, get that one. So tup1 equal to, here also you can define both the things like uh, strings and what are the data type it will accept. Okay, so no problem, same thing. You can put it if you want, otherwise you can put a different data. bm, for example, bmw. I put a simple something Tata PZ1. Some numbers 265, for example, 743. Maybe some complex this type of numbers. Okay, or maybe something big numbers, small numbers. I'm giving. So tuple is defined. You can use tup1, or you can use print tup1. You can print like that, or you can use type tup1. So it is tuple. Next is length dot length of tuple. You want it tup1. So 7 variables are there. Now it is ordered. Now it is, you have to check, is it ordered or not. Ordered or not, it is ordered. That's why it is, we got a number, but still we can see what is the meaning of order here. So I have to take the data like from here. So take it and put it here and write down what is the order. 0, 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally 7. Now it is a 8 because 7, right? So it is a 7. Sorry, it's a total 7. So it is a 7. 6, 5, 4. Okay, this is the indexing. So again, we'll try to query the index part. So tup, right? So tup1, okay, tup1 is square brackets. Always square brackets for index, guys. Okay, curly brackets, square brackets where we use. So compulsory look at that one. Okay, 0 means first sec. Okay, 0. So first one is BMW 0. Okay, tup2, sorry, tup1. For example, fourth one, 734. It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct only. Okay. So like that. So this is index. To 1 again 3 colon like this. So from third to last. From third to last. From third to last. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the third one. Third to last. Okay. Next TUP1. For example, 2 colon, so the last one is 6 something is there, no? So we'll put a 5. 2 to 4. 2 to 4. 5 means 4 only. So 2, 1, 2, so 0, 1, 2. 2 is a Maruti. 3, 4. That's it. So fifth one is this one. So obviously fifth one won't come here. This is all about index. This is all about index. Okay. Ordered, completed. Ordering is completed. Now what it is? Unchangeable. Unchangeable. We can't able to change it. So we'll see that one. TUP1 dot and wait. So how many options you are getting? Count and index only you are getting. Count and indexing you are getting. You are not getting any other things. For example, you want to change my 265 to 65. 265 to 65 I want to change. 0, 1, 2, 3. I want to change to 56. So it is type error. Type error. Tuple object. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Okay. So the tuple kind of stuff is not supporting this. These are object oriented, right? So that's why it is saying object class kind of stuff. Okay. But without defining any objects here. Specific objects. So what it is? We can't able to change it. We can't able to remove it. Only thing is we can do count. We can able to do something like a index. What is that index kind of stuff? So tup1 dot index. In a bracket, you have to tell, for example, that's a 2.5. Index number of 2.5 is 5. That is index. count is you already know how many times the data is repeated. It will count it. For example, 200. Only one time is repeated. So this is a thing, guys. So tuple is very easy, best one. Why? Because more options are not there. Very simple to learn. We can't change the data. We can't change the data, but you can't change the data. Okay, only we can able to define. Yellow duplicate values we are not verified, because by typing itself we have to do it. So no problem. So two I will define something 34 comma 56 comma 76 comma 23 comma 55 56 34 like this. By mistake, no problem. TUP2. So it is duplicate values are allowed. Okay, you want to go to tup2 dot count 56. How many times 56 is there? 2 times 56 is. So yellow duplicate values. It is yellow duplicate values. Next, tup1 plus tup2. Okay, so you can able to get both the data also. Same for list 1 and list 2 also. Same for list 1 and list 2 also there. I am unable to show you because it's, I will try to avoid more times. Okay, and also we can get a display of same data 2 times like this. Okay, this is also there. For a list also you can able to try that one. For list also you can able to try. Okay, maybe you guys are will get a doubt. So what is that doubt? So can I add a list 1 which is list, another one is a tup1. Okay, no. So only you can concrete list, not to list to list, not to tuple. List to list, tuple to tuple, but not list to tuple. So that is we can't able to do it. Okay, guys, this is it. Another one is set is there. Set I will tell after 5 minutes, 10 minutes break. Okay, take 10 minutes break. Okay, guys, understand list to tuple.
Yes, sir.
Try once.